Discipline feels powerful, but it keeps failing you. Not because you're weak, because discipline was never the tool. High achievers don't use discipline, they use something else. You wake up motivated. You plan the perfect day. You promise yourself, this time I'll be disciplined. By evening, the plan is gone, the motivation is gone, and guilt takes its place. You think the problem is effort, so you try harder, and fail harder. Discipline runs on willpower. Willpower is a battery. Every decision drains it. Every distraction drains it. Every emotion drains it. By afternoon, your battery is dead. High achievers know this, so they stopped relying on batteries. Discipline is a reaction. It asks, can I force myself? High performers ask a different question. How can I make this automatic? They don't fight behavior. They design it. A system is an engine. Once built, it moves on its own. Discipline pushes. Systems pull. If you rely on discipline, you restart every day at zero. With systems, progress continues even on bad days. Most people add pressure. High achievers remove friction. They make bad habits harder. They make good habits stupidly easy. Not heroic effort. Smart design. Discipline says, do it perfectly. Systems say, just start. High achievers aim small, embarrassingly small, because starting rewires identity, and identity sustains behavior. They don't say, I'm trying. They say, this is who I am. Systems protect identity. Discipline attacks it. One builds consistency. The other builds burnout. One system won't change your life. 10 will. Not tomorrow, but permanently. This is why high achievers look unstoppable. They're not stronger. They're automated. Stop asking for more discipline. You don't need it. Build systems that work when you don't. Design days that move you forward by default. You're not lazy. You were just using the wrong tool. If this changed how you see discipline, subscribe, because the next video